Hey everybody, it's the Cooking Mom with my strawberry spinach salad and homemade poppy seed vinaigrette. It's my summer go-to salad. I'm toasting some pecans in a little bit of butter. That's gonna add a nice crunch to the salad. Now for the homemade poppy seed vinaigrette, some white wine vinegar, or any vinegar you have, some canola, olive oil, vegetable oil, a little bit of sugar, poppy seeds, and a little bit of onion. And that's optional, the onion's optional. You just shake this up in a clean canning jar. I've got a nice big bunch of fresh spinach, and I'm just gonna gently toss the spinach with that poppy seed vinaigrette. I love this salad so much because it goes with whatever you're serving this summer. Great as a summer side dish salad with the bright, beautiful sliced strawberries on top, but you could also make it a main course and add grilled chicken, shrimp, or steak, and then these crunchy, buttery pecans go on top. Oh yeah. Isn't it gorgeous and super tasty too? And for this recipe and lots more, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at The Cooking Mom, or head to my website, thecookingmom.com. Take care.